So how many have to go in with the queen?
As many as I can.
Okay. And how do they know to stay there?
Because that's what bees do.
Okay.
Alright, I'm a fucking expert giving you answers. You have one course.
You're the master beekeeper.
No. In this group, I'm the master beekeeper. Hello?
Alright.
Put the rest of these right here.
You got a big cloud around you still. Did you get stung?
No.
Oh, okay, good.
So far, so good. Easy, boys. Easy. 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 Oop, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit you. Shut up.
No swatting. No swatting the bees.
Hey guys, I'm your master. I'm the guy who brings the food. I am your friend.
Well, so far they seem pretty friendly.
I'll explain why. Because right now they don't have a hive.
Right.
So they're not defending anything yet. Some of the rest of you guys want to come out?
Can you just break the box apart or something?
No, they're going to come out.
Okay.
All right. Now, this goes on top. Easy, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. They don't hear.
Say it in Italian, maybe they'll understand.
Avanti. They're beautiful.
Dai, avanti.
Gotta get used to it. Come on, I'm gonna squash you if you don't get out of here. I guess I'm supposed to use my hands.
Yeah, well, that's right. You are. You said you can brush them, so go ahead and brush them.
Can you just move first time? Come on.
You can't crush them, though.
I won't. I'm going down nice and gentle.
You didn't have to brush them off?
I'm not ready for that yet. I'm gonna get some